Discover the Weber Summit Kamado. Its durable, dual-walled insulated steel construction unlocks all the Kamado grilling possibilities and more. Smoke, roast, and sear your way to more flavor with confidence. The lid and bowl quickly reach precise temperatures due to the dual-walled air insulation. The innovative design allows for high heat grilling and all-day smoking at a consistent low heat. The rapid-fire lid damper provides ultimate temperature control, maximizing the airflow through the grill to quickly increase temperatures. The adjustable fuel grate allows for versatility and temperature control with positions for low and slow smoking and high heat searing. The diffuser plate helps maintain consistent low temperatures for all-day smoking and roasting by deflecting direct heat away from the food on the cooking grate. The stainless steel hinged gourmet barbecue system cooking grate offers an extra-large 24-inch cooking area to feed a crowd. The stainless steel one-touch cleaning system provides hassle-free cleanup. Explore endless grilling possibilities with a variety of gourmet barbecue system cookware. Unlock all that the Summit Kamado grill has to offer. Available in 2 models. Weber, discover what's possible.